Okay, so pretty much today's video is about this. Yes, this on my head right now. It's a mess. Like, it's been a while since I've given you all a hair video, and I'm gonna just let y'all know now. My hair is like crying. I'm going to start off with my organic coconut oil. It is a virgin coconut oil, so raw coconut oil. And then I'm also going to use my As I Am co-wash cream. So ideally I just want to kind of use the coconut oil to kind of detangle my hair, which is going to bring in the Tangle Tamer. I got this from Sally's Beauty, so I'm excited about trying. So I'm going to start off with a generous amount of coconut oil. Because I use so much of it, I'm running low. And I'm gonna just warm it up in my hands. And I'm gonna just start massaging it in. So ideally, I always put my hair into 4 sections. It's in 3 right now, but I'm going to turn these into individual sections. Hair is kind of dry, but it's not dry. So I am going to add a little bit of water, because you should never detangle your hair like with no water. Like, it should never be dry when you detangle your hair. Liking this already. And now I'm going to add in my co-wash. And the twists aren't going to be neat, they're just going to be, you know, big enough so that when I do get in the shower, I can wash them individually and then I can detangle them individually at the same time. Okay, so I am done twisting my hair. This is literally just to put the co-wash in. I'm literally about to just wash this out right now. Okay, I'm back. So basically, I washed out my hair with the Thank God It's Natural Moisture Rich Sulfate Free Shampoo. It has almond oil and coconut oil in it, so it should be very hydrating even though it's a shampoo and there's no sulfates in it. And I use their Triple Moisture Replenishing Conditioner. As you can see, I use a lot of this conditioner. So right now, I'm just going to take down my hair. Ideally, you should use a t-shirt because it doesn't make the hair as dry as a towel. So this is my hair now. I'm gonna take a wide tooth comb. Okay, so I'm putting my hair back into 4 sections to make it easier to cut and add in the product. Now, I don't want to cut my hair all crazy and uneven, so I'm gonna attempt to use the comb as best as I can. So when you're cutting your ends, you want to look for the unevenness, the thickness of the hair. So I do tend to see a lot of knots in my hair, like little knots, and you can cut those out individually or just trim your ends. Or if you see that your ends are clearly split, and then you can also see where your hair is split and broken. So like it'll be one long string and then a split end, you know, next to it. So to start off, I'm going to use the Honey Miracle Mask, and I'm just going to apply this into my entire section. And then I'm going to twist. So I have a nice nice little curl going on here, but then I also have some straggly pieces. So what I'm going to do is just cut this little curl. And you want to make sure you have a nice good pair of shears. I cut my little curl. And just examining the curl, I have some split ends, I have some knots, I clearly see breakage, so that can go in the trash. So now I'm going to take the Hydrate and Repair Protein Power Treatment by Shea Moistures. I've never used this before, but it's good for extremely dry and brittle hair. I have really dry hair, and I don't know if that has to do with me having eczema, but yeah. So you cut that little off, and we're gonna keep going. And I'm gonna cut the same amount off on each strand of twist, so that it doesn't feel as if I'm cutting my hair. There's various, you know, amounts all over. It's always gonna be about less than an inch, because I don't really have breakage, but I know I do. So let's keep going. I'm just gonna go ahead and twist, and then I'm just going to let this sit on for about a half an hour, maybe 45 minutes, because I really want my hair to kind of get all the repair and hydration that it needs. So that's gonna give it enough time to kind of penetrate. So until then, I will be right back. Alrighty, so my hair is now trimmed. I didn't cut too much off. Still here. I'm still here. So this is a mixture between my ends and detangling. I do hope the size goes down after trimming my ends. Okay, I am back. So right now I am just getting the excess water on my hair. So I can definitely say my hair is so soft right now, like, oh. So I think I'm going to actually twist my hair back. I think that would just be better. So I'm going to use 3 products. The first product is the Cream of Nature for all natural hair. It's the Moisture Curl Hair Milk. And then I'm going to go in with the Mimosa Hair Honey. It's a shine pomade. This is by Carol's Daughter. And then my last but not least product is the Amour Hair and Body Oil. So I'm going to take some of the curl milk and kind of just rub it through my hair. Next, I'm going to take the Mimosa and rub that in between my fingers. And I want to keep my hair nice and light, which is why I'm not styling in it right now. I just need it to kind of dry on its own. And now I'm going to take my oil and seal that all in. And now I'm just going to flat twist it. And as I'm flat twisting it, I'm pulling out the curl. Okay, this is my hair. Again, I'm just gonna let this dry, and because it's more like a laid back day, I probably would keep this in for the whole day until I would style it later. Ideally, you would want to put your mask in on Sunday, but I like to show you all what I do on Monday, so then at least you know, like, that's kind of like my self-care regimen when it comes to washing and treating and cutting my hair. Again, I probably just put a scarf on. I'm gonna let it dry a little bit more, keep it in all day, and then I'll style it and go from there. But let me know what you all like and what you don't like about this video. But thank you all for watching. Please, please, please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you all soon.